Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we are going to take a look at the installation of Android 16 based Lineage OS 23 on your Nothing Phone 1. So let's proceed straight away. So guys, in order to install Lineage OS 23 on your Nothing Phone 1, you will need a PC, you will need ADB fast boot, so you have to download platform tools. You also need CMD, obviously it is inbuilt in your PC, so you have to use CMD because we will flash the Lineage OS ROM using ADB sideload. Also guys, make sure you have Android 15 Nothing OS installed beforehand if you want to proceed installing Android 15, 16 ROMs. So yeah, I have the Android 16 Lineage OS, and beforehand I had Nothing OS Android 15 latest installed, so I had no issues regarding the installation of Lineage OS as well. So first of all, you have to power off your device. Now after your device is completely powered off, you have to press the volume down and the power button at the same time to boot it into bootloader mode. And this is the bootloader mode. So this is the screen you have to keep your device on, and you have to just plug in with a USB Type-C. Keep your phone aside and make sure the USB Type-C, the cable has been fitted properly with the computer. You don't have to lose anything into the process, so make sure your computer and your mobile is connected properly. Now moving to the PC, you have to make sure fast boot is detecting your device. So fast boot devices, and it says a serial code and it says fast boot, so that's fine. Now let's move to installation. Now the first step is to install the boot and vendor boot images, flashing these images to your phone. So you have to input these commands: fast boot, flash boot, boot dot image. Now it has flashed the boot image. Now same way, fast boot flash vendor image, vendor boot, vendor underscore boot dot image. Now after flashing the boot and vendor boot image, you can use your phone or also the PC recovery mode. Now to boot into recovery mode, and it will boot into Lineage OS recovery. This is the Lineage OS recovery screen, which means boot images has been flashed successfully. Now you have to move to factory reset and format data. Click yes, click the power button. Now get back. Now you have to choose apply update, apply from ADB. Keep your device aside. Go to PC. Now keep the CMD screen on and ADB devices. It will detect ADB, and you can see side load and the serial code, which means ADB, the device is in side load mode. So now ADB side load. Now you have to copy the file name of Lineage OS. Now the file name may vary because while you are downloading the Lineage OS zip, you might get new updates. This is the weekly update file. You can get 22 October or 29 October build 2, and add .zip extension and press enter. Now you will also see a process has been started on your phone. So let's keep it aside and let's wait for the process to get finished. Now you will see this screen. So if you want to install additional packages, you will have to reboot recovery first. So you have to click on yes if you're going to install GApps or Magisk or any other kind of zips. So I'm clicking yes and wait for the phone to reboot. Now as you can see, our device has finally again rebooted into the recovery. Again you have to go to apply update, apply from ADB, keep your phone aside and choose ADB sideload and click on the GApps you have downloaded. All the links for the ROM and GApps is in the description, so make sure you use that, which I have successfully flashed and used. So GApps is been flashed, and you might see a screen like this on your phone: signature verification failed, install anyway. You have to click on yes and it will start the installation of GApps. So it says installation completed with state 0, which means GApps are being flashed. Now you have to go to factory reset again, format data. Let's go back, and the final step, reboot system now. Now let's wait for the LineageOS boot animation to show up. And guys, as you can see, the LineageOS boot animation has showed up, and which means you have successfully flashed LineageOS 23, which is based on Android 16 on your Nothing Phone 1. So that is it for the video, and I hope you guys like the video. As you can see, it has booted up, so it has gone fine. Welcome to LineageOS. Set up the phone and enjoy the official LineageOS 23 on your Nothing Phone 1. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, press the like button. If not, the dislike button is there. And if you want to enjoy more of my stuff, want to check out more of my videos on Nothing Phone 1, you have to subscribe to the channel, which is in here, the subscribe button. And you can also join the channel, support the channel through that button, join channel. If you can see the perks, which I'm going to start soon once we build a community of members on that. So I hope you guys I said everything before, so I don't have to say that. Like, share, subscribe, dislike, whatever you want. Put your feedback in the comment section and check out the description for all the links which you will need for the procedure of installation. And that's it. Goodbye. See you guys soon with another video of the Nothing Phone or any other phone which I have. That's it. Bye bye.